Welcome to the top picks. The best creatine monohydrate is probably one of the most researched and effective supplements for enhancing athletic performance and muscle growth. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of creatine, exploring its benefits, how it works, and why it's a staple in many fitness enthusiasts' routines. We'll cover everything from increased strength and power to improved muscle recovery and cognitive function, so you can make an informed decision about whether creatine is right for you. Number 5. Sports Research Creatine Monohydrate. Looking to enhance your workout? This creatine monohydrate powder is designed to support your strength and endurance. It can help improve cellular energy for peak performance. Each scoop delivers 5 g of pure creatine monohydrate. This key compound helps fuel ATP production, promoting greater power during workouts and faster recovery. It's a simple and effective way to build strength. This micronized creatine powder dissolves smoothly in cold liquids. It blends easily into your favorite pre- or post-workout shake. There are no added sugars, just pure, flexible performance support. This product is entirely vegan, non-GMO, project verified and informed, sport tested. It is trusted by athletes who demand high-performing support for strength, stamina, and muscle recovery. Sports Research crafts supplements backed by science for real results. This creatine is micronized for better absorption. It helps you gain lean muscle and improve your overall performance. What we like. This creatine is perfect for those who prioritize clean ingredients and ethical sourcing. It's vegan, non-GMO, and trusted by athletes. If you're looking for a product that aligns with your values and supports your performance, you should consider this one. What people say. Increased strength and endurance. Improved muscle recovery. Noticeable gains in muscle mass. Number 4. Sports Research Creatine Monohydrate. This creatine monohydrate powder is designed to support your strength, endurance, and lean muscle when combined with regular exercise. It may help improve cellular energy for peak performance. Each scoop delivers 5 g of pure creatine monohydrate. This helps fuel ATP production, promoting greater power during workouts and faster post-exercise recovery. It's a simple, effective way to build strength and support your training goals. This micronized creatine powder dissolves smoothly in cold liquids and blends easily into your favorite pre-workout, post-workout, or recovery shake. There are no flavors, no clumping, and no added sugars. It is non-GMO, project verified, informed, sport tested for banned substances, and third-party tested for quality and purity. It's made without soy, gluten, or artificial ingredients, so you get only what you need. Sports Research crafts supplements backed by science and made for real results. This creatine is micronized for better absorption and trusted by athletes who demand high-performing support for strength, stamina, and muscle recovery. What we like. This product stands out with its commitment to purity and quality. It's non-GMO, project verified and third-party tested. If you are looking for a creatine that you can trust for its quality and purity, you should consider this one. What people say. Increased strength and endurance. Improved muscle recovery. Noticeable gains in muscle mass. Number 3. Jacked Factory Growth Surge Post-Workout. Are you ready to take your workouts to the next level? This supplement is designed to help you build lean muscle and recover faster. It's the perfect addition to your post-workout routine. This product contains premium ingredients, including creatine monohydrate, in research-backed doses. It's proven to increase strength, power, and muscle growth. You can trust this formula to help you achieve your fitness goals. Whether you're a man or a woman, this post-workout supplement can help you maximize your results. It minimizes fatigue and maximizes recovery. It helps fuel lean muscle growth and increases strength. It's crucial to recover and rebuild after every workout. This product helps improve muscle recovery and reduce soreness. You'll feel refreshed and ready to conquer your next workout. All products are manufactured under strict quality control standards. This formula is free of harsh chemicals and artificial dyes. You can be confident in the purity and potency of what you're taking. What we like. This creatine is designed to maximize your post-workout recovery. It includes L-carnitine and betaine. If you're looking to optimize your muscle recovery and build lean muscle, you should consider this one. What people say. Increased strength and endurance. Improved muscle recovery. Noticeable gains in muscle mass. Number 2. Micro-ingredients creatine monohydrate powder 500g. Introducing the micro-ingredients creatine monohydrate powder. This unflavored powder is designed to mix easily into your favorite drinks. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their workout routine. Each serving provides a potent 5,000 mg dose of creatine monohydrate. This supplement is a great way to support your fitness goals. It's a simple and effective addition to your daily regimen. Each bag offers approximately a 3-month supply. This ensures you have plenty of this essential supplement on hand. It's a convenient way to maintain your creatine intake. This creatine is pure, with no added fillers. The unflavored formula makes it versatile for mixing. You can easily incorporate it into your pre- or post-workout shakes. A scoop is included for accurate measurement every time. Simply add it to your shake or smoothie. Take it daily with or between meals. What we like. This creatine is designed for simplicity and convenience. It's micronized and unflavored, making it easy to mix into any drink. If you like a simple, effective creatine that fits seamlessly into your routine, you should consider this one. What people say. Increased strength and endurance. Improved muscle recovery. Noticeable gains in muscle mass. Number 1. Deal Supplement Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Introducing Deal Supplements Creatine Monohydrate Powder. This is a pure, unflavored formula designed for both men and women. It's a great option for your pre- and post-workout routines. The powder is micronized for a fine texture, ensuring it mixes easily. It has a neutral taste, so it blends perfectly into any drink or supplement. Each pouch contains 300 g of powder, providing 60 servings. Each scoop delivers 5,000 mg, perfect for daily use. Creatine monohydrate is a popular ingredient in sports nutrition. It's valued by everyone from bodybuilders to everyday fitness enthusiasts. Each scoop offers a clean, measured dose, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. You can conveniently add it to any drink. It's third-party lab-tested and non-GMO. It's made without gluten, dairy, eggs, peanuts, soy, wheat, yeast, and tree nuts. What we like. This creatine is designed for quick absorption and ease of use. It's micronized and filler-free. If you are looking for a simple and effective creatine that is easy to mix and absorb, you should consider this one. What people say. Increased strength and endurance. Improved muscle recovery. Noticeable gains in muscle size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.